Welcome to This Old Geek. I'm Mike Esker, and today I got a package, and if you had seen some of my earlier videos, you might have a good idea what's in this package, because I like to collect certain things. So we'll see what's in here. This was delivered to me yesterday by UPS. Packed pretty well. Now you may have already guessed it already. It is a ventriloquist doll, or puppet, whatever you want to call it. Now can you guess which one this is? This is a Jerry Mahoney doll, ventriloquist doll, that became popular. I think it started in the late 30s and into all the way. Well, there was a TV show like in the 50s, I do believe, and in the 60s. He was created by the great Paul Winchell, who most people probably may know him as voice of Tigger, which he did in those Winnie the Pooh shorts, Winnie the Pooh movies. Now this guy was made by the Juro company. Now, I'm not an expert on the history of these things. I know a lot of these were made, a lot of different types were made. This is obviously the 24-inch kind, and there were 32-inch and I do believe 38-inch Jerry Mahoney's. And this is one, this is made for kids. This has the pull string in the back. It's supposed to move his mouth. The mouth is not working, so there's probably something going on with the mechanism inside, like the rubber band usually is what it is. So I will be repairing that. I mean, that's usually what I do when I buy these things. I look for ones that need repairing. I get them as cheap as possible. I got this guy pretty cheap. I was surprised because usually, especially in the shape he's in wonderful shape, except he's, except for the mouth and the shoe missing. And he does have a tear right here, which can easily be sewn, I'm sure. But as I was saying, there were a lot of different ones made, and this one was made specifically for kids. He's got this simple pull string, only his mouth moves. There are other models where the eyes move, and they have a larger body, and the body is hollow with a stick in the back that controls the head and the eyes and the mouth. So now this, I don't know. I was reading a little bit about the history of these. This one can be anywhere between 1950 and 1960, I believe, because what I was reading, originally these were made from composition, the head and the hands, which is, well, it's composite. It's just means that it's made up of different things. It's kind of like paper mache in a way, and it's like, that's what a lot of those old dolls were made of. You'll see, the older ones, the heads and the hands are usually cracked, which is, I believe, is called crazing, and but this one is definitely made of plastic, and it's pretty decent plastic. So, but he's nice and clean. I mean, he really is. But I do have to fix, because over time, usually there's a rubber band in there that keeps the mouth shut, and over time those rubber bands will deteriorate, and they'll just disintegrate, and they get dry and brittle and they break up in the pieces. So And the string here, of course, is yellow, so you know that is an indication of age, of course. Not that it really takes real long for a white string like this to get yellow, but I'm probably going to clean this so it's not so yellow. I'll soak it in bleach or something. And but he is very nice condition. I just hope I can take his head off and fix him without ruining anything. I don't think there's a wire in here because I don't see any rust. Usually when there's a wire, there's around his neck to hold his head on. Usually when there's a wire, it gets rusty. Yeah, there is a wire. Okay. Well, it's not rusty though. Yeah, he must have been. I don't know. I don't know what happened to his clothes, why they got torn, or why he's missing a shoe, but I will see if I can find one of these on eBay. But yeah, he's very nice. This is one of the cleanest ones I've gotten. I have, you know, ordered from eBay. But I will definitely be doing another video where I am fixing this, sewing his jacket right here, which I should be able to do that. I do know how to sew a little bit. So, yeah, usually these aren't expensive, and I got him fairly cheap. I was surprised. Because, yeah, I don't know if they're rare. I'm sure there was a lot of these produced. It was a very popular character. And I believe Paul Winchell performed with him like up into the 80s, I do believe. And yeah, so this is pretty awesome. I get to add this guy to my collection. It's really nice. Thank you to whoever I bought this off of. I don't remember who. I am not sure. But it came from Indiana. Sergeant Buff, Indiana. Sergeant. I'm sorry, Sergeant Bluff, not Buff. Indiana. Sergeant Bluff. And so, there you go. Stay tuned, and within a week I will have a video of me repairing this guy. So have a great day.